Uh, all right, everyone. Okay, so this session is all about question answer one by one, and I will answer your all question one by one. And also, I wanna announce. I wanna mention one thing that next week I'm not able to do weekly webinar hosting, and this is our like you can say this is the last webinar for the next 2 week. Upcoming week I'm not able to do a weekly webinar because I'm super busy in a few works and few function. That's why I'm not able to. And after that I will start continue. And right thing also I will share, like if any videos are missing, that I will do also, like back testing, question answer, and also live trading I will introduce after 1-2 week. Okay. So this session is all about your question answer. And if you watch the previous past 2 videos, if you are old members, old subscriber, and few new members are not able to understand anything, right? So you can also ask in a chat section. Also, you can share your trading view URL where I can see your question and I will explain one by one. Here, this is all about question answer explanation webinar. So any setups in a EUZU. So, sir, first of all, you have to check a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. Look at this one, and this is happen here. Break of structure, as you know, in a higher time frame. This is our 1 hour time frame break of structure, right? When market create break of structure, then majority of the time, what happen here? You have to wait for taking out the inducement to create opportunity before the buy. So in this case, this was our previous inducement, but what happened here? Market not break this one and market create new high right here. So at this point, what happened here? This is our previous high, which is sweep here. So at this point, what we can do in this situation? Simply, you can do two things. First thing, if this candle sweep the liquidity, it means market grab the liquidity. Also, if you want to wait here for additional confirmation, like single candle order block, then definitely you can sell here. This is a higher time frame in a H1 time frame, so we need like 5 minutes as a lower time frame before the lower time frame confirmation in a sell. So if anything happen here, create a single candle order block, then we can sell here till this as a target. But if you switch here in a lower time frame perspective, that what happening here and how you can see here. Right now there is no opportunity, but we can see if you want to take aggressive entry, then look at this one. This shadow is taking out the liquidity. It means this shadow act like a PUI, right? Remember one thing, this is our decisional PUI right here. Why this is not high probability? Because price taken out the previous high, that's enough, right? But maybe market can be next attempt close above it. If close above it, right? So this move is a single leg move. So price can be go higher. That's why you have to wait for it to create single candle order block. Like this candle close below it and third candle mitigate this one and then sell. Then here you can sell. This is our like high probability setup for the entry. Right now there is no setup. You have to wait for it to create a price action here before the enter, right? But if you want to take an aggressive entry, sometime what happen here? Market just grab this liquidity and mitigate this one, and then you can enter here for the sell. So if you wanna take this entry, this is a very aggressive entry, but remember this is our like a, you can say like decisional PY. Okay, so now I'm going to in a 5-minute time frame. So as per the 5-minute time frame, what happened here? This is our entire candle, and this one is a mitigate here. This candle here, right? It means price already mitigate here, and at this point you can sell here, right here, right? If you're willing to sell here, then definitely you can sell and target this one. Actually, this is our inducement here, and this is our decisional entry here, and put the stop loss just over it and target this one. And this is all about like liquidity sweep entry here, right? And remember, this is our decisional entry. Anything can happen here. If market broke this one, close below it, like 1 hour single candle order block and then sell, right? So this is a possible scenario. But right now, if you take a aggressive entry, you can sell here. That's it. Okay. The next question is here. Advanced supply demand. Sir, advanced supply demand, sir. Advanced supply demand, like there is no like advance or anything supply demand. Mainly is a liquidity. To identifying the liquidity. Liquidity is everything like supply, demand, and everything are uh, after like liquidity. Okay, main thing is a liquidity. Once you're able to understand where is liquidity and where you should buy and sell, that's it. And also, if you ask me to video, not sir, those are not a supply demand video. I was talking about hidden supply, like hidden PUI, you can say. Okay, so hidden PUI, I will make a one video for hidden PUI, that how we can identify them when you can play for the buy and sell. Session liquidity कैसे करें? So for session liquidity, I already make a video in a chapter, so you can watch them. Definitely you will understand that how liquidity actually work on a session timing. When session high low sweep, then you can play based on single candle order block, right? Same structure. How can I know the structure is mapping correct or not? So you can post in a community section, right? The back test 1 hour and 5 minute time frame. Say 1 hour and 5 minutes in a recent two videos I uploaded in a video course where I mentioned 1 hour and 5 minutes, everything. You can apply any time frame combination. Which chart you look for? Market, bank nifty, nifty spot chart, or future chart? Sir, I don't trade in a bank nifty or nifty right now. Okay, so I have no idea that which chart we should use, but mostly I use, I think, the spot chart. Sir, if I mark a sweep measure high low, what can I use? Single candle or block, chalk and flip. Sir, when market sweep the measure high or low, then you can use single candle order block for the entry. You sometimes trade M15 just based on single candle order block, liquidity sweep. That is possible. Also, 1 minute is your SL. There is no, there's too small SL. Okay, maybe you can talk a bit about it. Yes, sir. So, similar thing happen when market sweep the 15-minute measure high or low. You can also switch in a lower time frame, like 15-minute. This is a sweep here. Create single candle order block, and if you are willing to sell here, you can sell here, but put the stop loss above this high. Right, you don't need to put the stop loss just above the order block or anything. You have to put the stop loss above the above or below the structure, low or high. Can we look at GPST? So GPST are, I think, a similar story. Let me check first. Yes, sir. GPST are a similar story. If I switch here in a 15-minute time frame, this is a liquidity graph here. Higher high, higher low, just liquidity graph. Everything is liquidity. In this day, I think in a Forex market, liquidity like volume are a little bit lower compared to the other months. सिंगल कैंडल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक में चौक का वेट करना है. Yes, you can take single candle order block as a chalk, but when market taken out the inducement in that case, but price not sweep the inducement. For example, like this one, this is an inducement taken out, but this candle is a close of it, but market create here single candle order block at this point. Here you can take entry based on chalk and flip. Then you can, if sweep this one, just sweep this one, then don't need to wait for two like a chalk or flip. You can simply directly sell based on chalk, like single candle order block. In a JPUSD, similar story like Euro USD, previous high, previous low, is a broken here. And let me check this one. Just a liquidity grab here, price not close over it, just liquidity grab here. Still, there is no confirmation, just liquidity grabbing. So you have to wait for it to confirm this is a boss or just liquidity grab. Like this, you can say these are just liquidity grab here. You can take entry here based on single candle order block if market create anything. Like here, the previous sweep here, you can, but if market create here 5-minute SUV also, then you can take entry, otherwise no. There is no entry create here. Similar thing happening here. In this day, volume are a little bit lower compared to the other months. Market just creating a shadow in a both side. हिंदी कंटेंट आ जाएगा, अब 2 वीक के बाद ही आ पाएगा. आ जाता अब तक पिछले वीक में ही सारा कुछ कंटेंट, बट कुछ अर्जेंट्स है इस वजह से नहीं आ पा रहा है. अदरवाइज मैं पिछले वीक में ही सारा कुछ अपलोड कर देता. जैसे इंग्लिश का किया, 2 वीडियोस 2 दिन में कर दिए थे, बट उसके बाद कुछ ज़्यादा अर्जेंट वर्क लग गया. गोल्ड, ओके. गोल्ड, let me check first in a 15-minute time frame. Gold just grabbing the liquidity in a both side. This is right now in a market in a ranging in a gold. If you can see, market have no momentum in a bullish side or bearish side. Market just broken the higher low. As you know, if market sweep the higher low, then you can take entry based on single candle order block. If market close, and then you can take entry based on chalk and flip. Right here, you can see this one is a tick not the liquidity, and same order block is a mitigate here. Mitigate previous high sweep, you can take entry here based on single candle order block in this zone. And now we are willing to sell here after taking out this one, this high. Please look at the GBP, Euro GBP in a decisional M15 POI. Image. Euro GBP. As per the 15-minute time frame, market momentum is about bearish in a Euro GP right now. You can see. So let me mark the first of all here structure. So this is our previous lower lows here, happen here, and previous. Sorry, this one broke peak of structure, chalk, create here, higher high, higher low, again boss, and create new higher high. Just sweep, chalk confirm here, create higher low, sorry, lower low, lower high, break the structure, liquidity grab, mitigate this one. Let me check this one. Right here. In this case, no need inducement because liquidity grab here, break the structure in a downside and create break of the structure, push downside. Here we can see we have a two this one IDM. So create lower low here, lower high, again lower low, and break this low, break of structure, again chalk, just sweep here, close over it. So if market came back or downside to mitigate anything, then we can buy here. The main low is a broken here. Sweep, first high is a broken. You don't need to buy here because this is the first fake chop. You have to wait for to next broken the previous high, which is a broken here. Mitigate something here and continue go higher. All right. So GBP USD, I think was already done. Let me check first. In a GPUSD, previous higher high was here, and this was higher low. Break the structure here, confirm this higher high. And then what happened here? Price must be taken out the inducement, which was here. Sorry. This was previous minor inducement. Happen here, mitigate this, unmitigated shadow here, give reaction and go higher. And this was our max PY, but market react here because just below it, there is no unmitigated PY, only this one. Right. So here at this point, if market create anything like bearish condition, then we can sell like this one till this low and then continue go higher. Otherwise, if market not create here anything here, continue going higher high, then you have to buy here, taken out the inducement, mitigate this order block and continue go higher high at this point. Can you say chart color? So chart color, I say so many times. You can check here the body color, this one, the dark and the light color, this one. And these are all dark black color. Okay. Short, long color, you can check, I mean, choose any like this one. Stop color, this one, and target color, this one, 10%, 80%. Enough. Okay, everyone. So if there is any other question, you can ask me here. Can you walk through how do you like trade last you trade any pair last week? Sir, I'm not trading last few days. Okay. And also I will not trade next 2 week. And after that, I will start also live trading and everything like backtesting, live trading, question answer, webinar, everything will be continued. Next 2 week, I'm not able to do even webinar, right? When I start a community till that time, I do every week a webinar regularly. But this time I need to take some 2 week off for some reason. Can you show single candle order block trading on 1 minute using internal structure only? Sir, in an internal structure only, you can take trade, but you have to follow like this one. Simply a single candle order block generally we use when price type on either PUI, either sweep the higher low, either taken out the inducement. That time we use a single candle order block. Single candle order block basically we use when we are looking for the buy and sell that point. स्वीप के बाद इंड्यूसमेंट कैसे लें? स्वीप के बाद इंड्यूसमेंट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है, मतलब अगर स्ट्रक्चर स्वीप हुआ है तो इंड्यूसमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है. डेली कैंडलस्टिक स्वीप, सॉरी. सर डेली कैंडलस्टिक का सिंपल रूल है, लाइक डेली कैंडलस्टिक इफ मार्केट लाइक कंटिन्यू ड्रॉपिंग देन मार्केट टेकन आउट द previously high, then you have to sell here, right? If market grab the like break the previous low, and then you can buy here like in a 15-minute chalk, then you can buy when like you can say previously high or low, both high or low act like a liquidity point. If market broken those one and then again market reverse and create chalk flip, then you can take entry for the buy and sell for the short term and long term. It's up to you. That market momentum is a like in a downtrend and uptrend. Here you can see this was a bearish and now market is looking for the continuation to the upside. So if market created anything here for the short term in a downside, then you can sell. Look at this one, the previous highs are broken. So if market create here anything, then you can sell for the short term, but looking for the buy is a higher time frame. Like looking for the buy is a high probability because now market turning bearish to bullish to the upside. So if I switch here based on candlestick formation, then you can see everything looks bullish here. Sorry, this one. Like previous day highs are broken here and pushing downside. Just sweep the liquidity, broke this low, create chalk, and you can sell here for the short term till this low, right? Because the previous day high is taken out of the liquidity. That's why if not broken this low, then you don't need to sell here. Sir, in your last videos 18 and 19, the second chalk study is a new strategy for the contract in the missile time frame, is the temporary contract in the lower time frame, when the main time frame is important. Yes, sir. In a part 18 and 19, I mentioned that if market momentum is a bearish and bullish, and if you are willing to catch like counter trend, right, then you have to switch in a lower time frame. First low is a broken, that's called fake chalk. In the next time is a broken, it means this is a real chalk and you can take entry here after taking out the inducement. And this is a only for counter trend side, right? Again, market tap any POI, then you have to follow the similar, like same rule, like chalk and flip, single candle order block, and you can buy again. Same thing. Yes, sir. This is a new thing, but this is applicable in a counter trend only, not everywhere. Sir, I have a problem with IDM. I watch a course many times. Sir, IDM is a very like easy thing to marking them. First, marking the structure. So if you are facing the problem to identification IDM, then you can also study the diagram. And second thing, IDM is a very simple. Market momentum is a bullish or bearish, anything. IDM is first pullback after break the structure. Like market momentum is a bullish. So first pullback is always called IDM. If this one is not broken, and market take a pullback and continue go higher. So this point become our IDM. This is a not IDM, right? And then market taken out. It doesn't matter that market how much going down, right? Again push upside like this and break this one, and this point become our higher high, and this point become our break of structure. Again push downside. So where is IDM? This one. If market taken out this one, so this is IDM. Means after break of structure, you have to check the IDM. IDM is first pullback. Right, this is idea. Okay, I hope this one is clear to you. Sometime 3-4 कैंडल्स एक साथ नेक्स्ट कैंडल्स को स्वीप करती हैं, ऐसे में क्या एंट्री लें? When market continue sweeping the previous high and low continue, then you have to wait for it to clear direction to break the main low, like the first low chalk. Those can be chalk or inducement. Then you have to take a decision. You don't need to take a decision only based on previous candle high is a broken, continue broken, high low, then don't trade. Then you have to take a, you have to wait for it to clear direction before enter. In this day, volumes looks very lower. So I will suggest you use in this day like 1 hour and 5 minute time frame for the next few like weeks and months. After that, when momentum come in a market, then you can use a higher time frame, like sorry, little bit lower time frame, like 15 minute, 1 minute time frame. You can also use in this day also, but little bit tough for you maybe, right? But not suitable for everyone. But it's if you are facing a difficulty, then you can use 1 hour and 5 minute time frame because volumes looks a little bit lower in these days. That's why I'm saying. SMC ट्रेंड वाला एक बात, XMC वाला अभी कराया मैंने एक्सप्लेन. सिमिलर चीज आपको करनी है काउंटर ट्रेंड वाला जो अभी मैंने कराया, तो आप उसको रिपीट देख सकते हो पार्ट 18 एंड 19. आपको सिमिलर उसमें एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. जब भी ब्रेक ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर होगा, राइट, एंड फर्स्ट चौक होगा, okay. So when market break this low, first low is a first high is a broken, that's called fake chop. Again market push downside. In this case, if market again broke this next attempt, this one is a called real chop. You have to wait for it to take out the inducement and you can buy here. And this is applicable only for when you are looking for the buy for the counter trend move. So you can buy here and at least target your like EOD, like extreme PY here, right? And also you can set your target decisional PY because overall market direction is a bearish. All right. I hope this one is clear to you. It's a chalk, or IDM. Sir, this is a chalk or IDM. Sir, this is IDM, not chalk. Chalk only happen when price tap on a PUI and break the first low. That's called chalk. Again, understand this one. This is your major structure. Like this is a lower low, this is a break off structure, this is a lower high, right? So where is IDM here? This one, right? Where is chalk? There is no chalk here. Only chalk happen here if price tap on PUI, right here, either price tap on extreme PUI, right? So in this case, what happened here? If market came back to the upside, for example, here, this is a lower time frame structure, and tap here, PUI, and broke the first low, this one. So this one is a called chalk. Chalk taken out and inducement and sell here, right? At this point, and broken this low. So this one is a called break of the structure, higher time frame. S to D, D to S. So that's called flip. Flip is a very simple concept. I mentioned in a video course, so you can watch them. Simple, like when price tap any PUI right here, and now you have to wait for it to lower time frame. Okay, so in a lower time frame, what happened here? If market came back to your demand zone, this is a lower time frame, right? And gave reaction. And then what happened? Push downside. This is a demand. And then this one is a create supply here. So here you can sell in a two-way. If this structure is a sweep the liquidity here, it means there is a no candle close of it, just sweep the liquidity. Then you don't need to wait for inducement here. You can sell here and put the stop at least just of it and safer side just of it, right? So you can sell here like this. And second scenario here, if candle close of it and create a structure like this, so here you can sell either if market sweep this one or broke this one and mitigate anything here, you can sell here like this. Also, you can sell if market create a pullback like this, here you can sell and like this. So these possible scenarios, that's called flip. Simply, you can check out in a ebook and video course section for more better explanation. यूएसडी में जीपीएसडी में बिग बहुत आई है हाँ इस टाइम वॉल्यूम काफी कम है इसलिए अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है GBP and Euro USD I cover everything in a detail. So if you join late, you can watch later. हायर हाई स्वीप होने के बाद इंड्यूसमेंट और बॉस कैसे होगा हायर हाई स्वीप होने के बाद में आपको सिंपली like this one is sweep here, so at this point you have to wait for lower time frame. लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में आपको चॉक फ्लिप इंड्यूसमेंट देखने के बाद ही एंट्री करना होगा बट यहाँ पे सिंगल कैंडल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक क्रिएट हो तभी आपको सेल करना है when we can take direct entry, you can take direct entry when market sweep the like this one sweep broke this one and taken out the inducement and mitigate your extreme PY, then you can take direct entry. If price tap on extreme PY, then you can take direct entry, right? Also, when price create a single candle order block, in that case also you can take direct entry. We use single candle order block in a higher time frame and lower time frame for additional confirmation. It is possible to trade the 1 minute or just candle. No, sir. Only direct 1 minute confirmation. Only 1 minute chart you can't trade. Too much faster. So everyone can't like manage a 1 minute time frame to trade directly without any higher time frame direction. Hello, Mr. Khan. Do you use correlation SMT all about? Could you please check DXY market structure? It's a very choppy. No, sir, I don't use. Because sir, to explanation to identifying the DXY is also complicated also. And similar thing happen in a Euro USD, GBP USD. Then why are you wasting time to check a GXY? Because nobody don't know where is the DXY move, the next move. You have to predict in a DXY also. Then why not you have to focus on Euro USD and GBP USD and other USD pair to directly check where is market going on. When you correlate with the DXY index pair, then what happen? You have to when you see the DXY looks little bit bullish, and then you are checking the Euro USD also looks bullish, then you will get confused. You are taking decision based on DXY, not Euro USD, because it's depend. Maybe Euro and USD maybe impact by other reason, and that's why Euro USD looks also bullish. There is no necessity that Euro like DXY bullish, then Euro USD will be only bearish. No, that can be different teaser fundamentally. So you have to focus only Euro USD and GBP. You don't need to focus to check a DXY or anything. But you wanna check analysis perspective, then you can. Otherwise, you don't need to structure mapping or anything to spend time on DXY, because you will get confused. काउंटर ट्रेंड में फर्स्ट पुल बैक इज अ चॉक और आईडीएम. फर्स्ट पुल बैक इज अ चॉक होता है, आईडीएम नहीं. एट द मोमेंट यूरो यूएसडी का अभी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही, आप इसको रिपीट करके देख सकते हो. यू कैन चेक. Order flow had been taken out higher time frame, but order block is still not taken out. It does that order flow is for the next time in the future. Sir, it's depend if market broke the main low or high. In that case, there is no need to mitigate those unmitigated order block. If market not broke the main high or low and market still ranging, in that case, market can be mitigate your unmitigated order block. For example, this one is a break of structure, and this one is our entire order flow, right? So what happened here? If price came back here and market pushed downside, and at this point you can see some like a refinement order block here, right? So what happened? Price type here on order flow and push downside. So if right now there is no any probability that market can be go higher, yes, can be go higher. Why? Because market not broke this low, so market can be in the next attempt go higher to mitigate this unmitigated order block, and then market push downside. But what happened if price not reach? What happened if price broken this low? Then no need to mitigate this order block. Price type here, and you have, because structure is a changer, new inducement, new POI, everything. Please explain direct entry. So direct entry, I mentioned so many times. Part 18, 17, 16, 19, everywhere I mentioned that when market create a single candle order block on a POI, sweep the higher low, you can take direct entry also. And mostly directly entry use when we have only extreme POI before the buy and sell. In that case, when you have decision, then you don't need to take the direct entry. If you want to take entry, you can take, but where is like 50% of probability. Sir, at the moment I mentioned market taken out the previous day high here, right? So here you can take entry, like first low is a broken, that's called chalk here, right? Chalk broken here, and you can take entry here, like create inducement, and you can sell till this low at least, right here. Because the previous day high is a broken here, just sweep the liquidity. Okay. So how about the example of downtrend after? So there are so many order, like example can be find in a previous data also. नाजिर हुसैन सिंगल कैंडल हाई लो दोनों लेता है तो क्या इंड्यूसमेंट हो जाएगा? Which one you are talking? Please not understand. So you can text me on Telegram, then I can respond you. 1 hour हायर टाइम फ्रेम सिंगल कैंडल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक बनाया है तो EU का ट्रेड ले सकते हैं? पहले चेक करना होगा. Yes, you can take entry here based on 1 hour time frame. I mentioned in a starting, if market taken out the previous day high, previous high, and create single candle order block. So price right now create a single candle order block here, right? So we can take trade and at least target this low because this is the first pullback here. So if price came back this one and wait for 5-minute time frame to check where is our trade. This was our first trade. I mentioned in a starting, this is an aggressive entry. And where is our next entry? Next entry here on this order block. So if market came back here, you can take entry here, put the stop loss just over it and here. And also, if you wanna take additional confirmation, you can take here like some candlestick confirmation, like price type here. Create a single candle order block. You can take entry here and target here at least. So this is a possible scenario here right now in a Euro USD. एक्सट्रीम ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे कंफर्मेशन कैसे लें? मालिक जैसे प्राइस टाइप होगा वहां पे सिंगल कैंडल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक टाइप क्रिएट होने का वेट करो, फिर आप वहां पे एंट्री लो. ऑल्सो आप वहां पे चौक और फ्लिप का भी कंफर्मेशन ले सकते हो. All right, everyone. So if there is mostly question is a cover here. And you can study again the previous content, videos, everything, study ebook in these days. And I will be off for the next 2 weeks, right? And time to time, if I'm available, then I will respond you also because some urgent work. Okay, that's why I'm not able to take a weekly webinar for next 2 weeks. Okay, if possible, then I will announce. Otherwise, 2 week almost off. Okay, after 1 year. And also Trading Hub started in a last year in a June, so almost 1 year, and this is a anniversary time in a about Trading Hub actually. All right, everyone. Yes, party. It's a party time. June month, in a June month, I started trading up 2.0 when I introduced ebook 2.0 giveaway. Okay, let me think about it. Giveaway for like one-to-one session or some money. What do you want, everyone? Okay, one-to-one. Okay, anything. Kuch bhi. Okay, one-to-one funded account. That's good idea. Both. Okay, one-to-one. Okay, let's make some giveaway for all our Discord member community only. Okay, one-to-one or 10,000 USD, like two, at least two funded account. Okay, what do you say, everyone? Like two funded account a giveaway, and also you have a chance to take a one-to-one session. Three funded account. 10K, yes. You have two choices. Like you can take a 10K funded account, okay, and I will choose three winners, right? And also you can take, if you don't want to take a funded account, you can take a like one-to-one session for 1 hour. Okay, it's up to you. You have a option. Okay, so I will announce as soon as possible, and maybe before the next weekend I will announce. And this okay, one-to-one. Okay, sir, it's up to you that what you want. So I will post in our Discord, and this giveaway for all our Discord community only, Discord community members only. Okay, sir. Have fun. You too. All right, everyone. Thank you so much to attend this beautiful webinar. I hope you get everyone most of the question answer and explanation in a details, and also cooperate to each other, help them to new members. And soon I will announce giveaway details. Thank you so much, and have a nice day, and have a nice great day to you. Thank you, everyone.